So yan guys, ito kami kumakain ngayon, Great Fountain Fast Food. So food court to, paikot lang to. Ayan, may ibang food court. Ayan doon, hintay ko yung order ko doon. Tumilit yun doon, Sam May Barbecue. Tumilit yun doon, nakasabit doon, pati duck. Ayan, hintay namin yung order. In-order ko fried chicken, fried rice. So sa misis ko, ito order niya.
Ito, Fuji fried rice daw, sabi niya.
Tapos may free soup pa. Ayan. Ngiyang ano, kunin mo na. O, ayan o. 108, tinawag na. Dito yan sa Shepherd Avenue East, intersection Midland Avenue, kaharap ng Dragon Center. Yung Dragon Center wala na. Ayan o, Chinese food dito. Ayan. Great Fountain Fast Food. May party tray din. Ayan, pag birthday mo, pwede kang umorder. Ayan. Hey guys, thank you for watching. Like, follow my Facebook page. Subscribe to my YouTube channel, Mickey Amigo Vlog. Ayan, pwedeng take out. Okay.